Okay, so welcome back. This is part 2 of building the Constellation in LEGO Digital Designer. So right now I'm going to be moving on to the Technic foundation pieces for the 3 masts on the Constellation, and hopefully we can get moving along up into some of the decks before I do the next break. So let's go ahead and get started there, and I'm just going to speed build again. So let's get going. So we've got some of the deck done here. Yeah, it's really starting to look more like itself, and getting it up on that stand was a bit of a trick, but I think we got there eventually. I don't know if the placement is exactly the same as it is in the instructions, but I think it looks pretty well balanced, and I'm going to call it good enough. So the next video we'll be moving on to some more of the upper deck and probably going to add the cannons and stuff like that. So stick around, that's up next in the playlist, but yeah, it's coming along.